Welcome to Food with Chetna. Before I start cooking, can I please request you to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell button so that you get a notification every time I cook a new recipe. Today I'm making fish curry. I have not made fish curry on this channel before, so I am really excited. I've shared a prawn curry, but a proper fish curry, and it is a good one. So hot pan, a couple of tablespoons of sunflower oil. You can also use mustard oil because in India a lot of the times when you cook fish you cook it in mustard oil. I understand that it is not suitable. It's said it's not suitable for cooking in the UK, but I totally disagree. Hot oil, and then we're going to add cumin and fenugreek. 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once they are sizzling, as you can see, we're going to throw in some fresh curry leaves. If you cannot find fresh curry leaves, just skip it, because those dried curry leaves are absolutely waste of money actually. 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves. And then we're going to add 1 large onion finely chopped, or if they are kind of smallish, then 2 onions go in. We're going to cook this for around 8-10 minutes, and we're just going to get them to golden. We don't want a really deep golden color. And next goes in ginger and garlic. 3 garlic cloves and an inch of ginger. Just a minute or a few seconds before we add tomatoes. And I've got 4 roughly chopped tomatoes here. And cook this on low heat for 10 to 12 minutes until it's fully softened. Now the fish, you can use whatever white fish you can find. So I've got sea bream here, and I've just cut them in thin slices, and I'm just going to sprinkle maybe 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt all over the pieces. Rub it in well. And I'm just going to shallow fry these, not for long at all, just for a minute, so it gets a lovely color. On high heat, now go in all the spices. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and then I've got a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon ground coriander. All of this will go into cooked tomatoes. Mix up, and I'm going to add 200 ml of boiling water. Just let it bubble for a few seconds. This is amazing, and it's ready for our fish pieces. And the fish is already fried, so it's almost cooked, and it doesn't need long at all. So don't cover at this stage. We just need a couple of minutes to cook this fish now. Not long at all. And I'm going to finish this with a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, not salt, sugar, just to balance out the flavors. And it's ready! and it just breaks apart because, you know, it's delicious and it's lovely. You can, best is to enjoy this with some rice, steaming hot rice, and you know where to find the recipe of how to make the best steaming hot rice. Just to get that fluffy rice every single time, and it's really quite a simple way to cook it. Enough talking, eat it. Oh my goodness. I have to say, I don't make fish curry very often. I make it, but my kids are not into fish curry yet. So I don't tend to make it very often. But you guys must give this a go. It is so nice. It is just so delicate, and that flavor and that combination in the onions is just, you can taste the fenugreek seeds flavor, which is fantastic with curry leaves. So nice. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and see you back here next week for another brand new recipe. Bye.